Many people feel disappointed when life does not give them good results. Slowly, they begin to lose confidence and say to themselves, "I can't do anything right." Others choose a career they don't love, not because it excites them, but because parents, relatives, or society expect it. But here is an important question. If you ignore your inner voice, can you ever feel truly successful? Today's story teaches us something powerful. Learning is not only about exams or degrees. Real education helps you understand yourself and discover who you are meant to become. We often hear about famous success stories. We think, if I follow the same path, maybe I'll succeed too. But life doesn't work that way. Until you find what truly interests you, other people's success will feel like distant stars, bright, beautiful, but always out of reach. So listen carefully. On the edge of a quiet town lived a young man named Ryan. Life there moved slowly and peacefully. Ryan was friendly and energetic, but lately he had grown silent and thoughtful. That year, Ryan completed high school. Unlike his friends, he wasn't applying to colleges. In fact, he didn't want to continue studying, not because of money problems, but because he felt lost. Ryan's family owned a large horse ranch, nearly 20 acres of land. They were one of the wealthiest families in the area. Still, Ryan struggled in school. The lessons never interested him. None of the subjects excited him. So he decided to take a short break to understand himself better. One morning, while helping on the ranch, Ryan finally shared his feelings with his father, Mr. Leonard. His father listened quietly. He didn't get angry. Instead, he smiled. "Ryan," he said, "I have a small challenge for you. I want you to visit 3 people." He wrote down 3 names and addresses on a piece of paper. Tell them you are the son of the man with the golden leg. Ask them how they became successful. Their stories will help you find your own answers. Ryan was curious. He asked, "Dad, why do people call you the man with the golden leg?" His father smiled gently. "You'll understand after meeting them. Just listen carefully." Ryan's first visit took him to an old house on the outskirts of town. There he met Mr. Carlos, a strong, elderly man with a calm and confident presence. Mr. Carlos was a famous athlete who had won many medals. When Ryan introduced himself as the son of the man with the golden leg, Mr. Carlos smiled warmly, as if remembering old times. Ryan asked, "How did you become successful?" Mr. Carlos replied, "In school, I ranked near the bottom. I was never good at studying, but I loved running. So I trained every day. The first year I improved my strength. The second year I corrected my mistakes. The third year I learned proper techniques. I ran every single day for 5 years. Then I won my first medal." Ryan listened carefully. He realized something important. Success comes from improving one skill again and again, no matter what that skill is. Ryan then visited the second person, Mr. Nolan. This time he arrived at a large modern home. To his surprise, Mr. Nolan owned his family's favorite restaurant. After welcoming Ryan, Mr. Nolan laughed and said, "I was almost last in my class. I talked a lot, but understood very little. But I loved 2 things, food and conversation." Because of that love, he began cooking the meals he enjoyed eating. At first, he made no profit, but he kept learning. New recipes, better service, smarter business ideas. 5 years later, he opened his first restaurant. Mr. Nolan smiled and said, "You don't need to be great at everything. You only need one skill you truly enjoy." The third visit surprised Ryan the most. Mr. Raphael had been the top student in school, yet his house was small and simple. When Ryan asked about success, Mr. Raphael replied honestly, "Yes, I had the best grades, but I never focused deeply on one thing. I knew a little about many subjects, but I never mastered anything. That was my mistake." Then Ryan asked about his father. Mr. Raphael smiled. "Your father ranked last in our class. One day, he fell from a horse and injured his leg. He wrapped it in a golden bandage, and that's how he got the nickname. But even after that injury, he never gave up his love for horses. He started with a small ranch and slowly built it into what it is today. Ryan rode home feeling clear and motivated. For the first time, he understood what truly excited him. He loved working with horses, just like his father. So he decided to become a horse trader and learn more about animal care and farming. Remember this, the answer to your future already lives inside you. No one else can design your life for you. If you ignore your true interest and only follow the crowd, you may move forward, but you'll never feel complete. If this story spoke to you, this is your moment. Find what you love, learn it deeply, practice it daily. One day, the world will recognize you through your work. People who walk their own path often create new roads for others, so why not you? If you enjoyed this story, share it with someone who needs guidance and tell us your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for listening.